I'll hide my windows and put this side by side so we can see exactly what's going on. So what we're looking at is this little yellow arrow and this yellow highlighted line. That tells us what line of code the program is currently about to execute. Now, we can prove that very easily. If we look at the output of our program, we see hey there line 1. We do not see hey there line 2. That's because our program is paused on line 9. You'll also notice that our program is paused. Like, I can't type in any input into the program right now. It's halted. It doesn't do anything right now. So what can we do with the debugger? The debugger doesn't stop at breakpoints, because once we hit a breakpoint, there are a lot of fun things we can do, like hitting F10. I believe this is F10. 12, 11, 10. Yep. Sorry, when you have your function keys not having labels on them, you start just taking their position, or memorizing their position by granted, and completely forgetting what they actually are labeled for. But yes, this is F10. F10 allows us to step forward. So when I hit F10, our execution jumped one line. It executed line 9, and we can see that it executed line 9 by hey there line 2 appearing on our console window. So we can watch as our program produces output. So I can hit F10 again, and we'll get hey there line 3. Our program advances one more line. Hit F10 again, and again, and again. Now what's going to happen when I hit F10 one more time? Well, console.readKey is going to execute. And what that's going to do is, well, unfortunately, because I smashed my keyboard earlier, that input was queued up in the buffer and just got sent to readkey. Let me go ahead and restart this example, and I'll show you what it should do. When I hit F10, the debugger actually is no longer pausing the program. That's because console.readKey is a blocking method. It's going to sit there inside of itself until I type a key into the input window, which means my program is no longer paused because I'm now inside of a readKey invocation. So now when I hit a key, then the debugger pauses the program again. And we can see it's paused because there's this little orange border around Visual Studio. That's a new addition to 2012. So now execution is on line 15, but there's actually nothing that line 15 does. So when I hit F10, our program finally exits.